Welcome to Market King. In today's video, we're going to look at how to grab and hold attention with email marketing for online trading educators. Okay, so this is specifically for the online trading industry. I'm going to show you exactly how to grab attention and hold it, as well as what to avoid. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's think of attention. What is attention when it's written content? So attention is you stopping someone in their tracks in the middle of their day with an email, okay? So if that's done correctly, you're already halfway there. So that comes with the subject line. That is the first section of getting attention on your emails, okay? The second section of getting attention on your emails is the first 3 lines of your email, okay? The first 3 lines, that's what you got. If you don't catch their attention in the first 3 lines, they're not going to go to the end and they're not going to go to the CTA, okay? Number 3 is short sentences, okay? Why? If you can create short sentences, it's easier to read. Okay? People don't want to read. They don't want to feel like they're reading a book. They want someone to tell them exactly why did they open and what's in it for me. Number 4 is a powerful CTA. Okay? So if this is done correctly, you will see more people going to your sales pages, going to your checkout pages, and going to your content. Okay? Whatever you are using your email marketing for. Hopefully, you are using your email marketing to provide value and to show them the problem that they currently have and how to get out of that problem with your solution. Okay? Powerful CTA. So let's get into number 1, the subject line. How do you grab attention with your subject line? Okay? It's easy. All you have to do is go and subscribe to 10 of your competitors' email lists and go and see what subject lines do they use for their email marketing. And if you see a pattern and certain words and certain strategies that they use, don't do what they are doing. Do the opposite of what they are doing. Okay? Why am I saying do the opposite? Because if you're going to do what they are doing, you are going to blend in. Okay? Because your subscribers are probably subscribed to 10 other trading companies' email lists. Okay? So you want to stand out. Do the opposite. Okay? See what they are doing and do it different. If they are doing everything in lowercase letters, you do everything in capital letters. Okay? As easy as that. Simple. Okay? So go and look at that. Next thing is the first 3 lines, okay? You've got 3 lines to capture their attention. So you want to make sure those 3 lines speak directly to them, okay? Personalized, okay? So it's a personalization. Hey John. If you don't have names, keep it hey trader or something relevant, something that they feel they are connected to. Trader is a great one. But try to keep it personalized, okay? Don't just say hey. Say hey name or hey trader. But hey name always wins, okay? The next thing is you want to speak to them directly. You want to speak to them. You want to use words like you, are you, do you, okay? Don't necessarily start with a question, but keep it personal. They should feel like, okay, damn, I'm being addressed, okay? And this you can do with knowing their pain points, knowing their desires, knowing their struggles, okay? Or intrigue. Easy as that. Even if it's value-based, you want to start it with this, okay? That feels like, I'm being addressed, I have to pay attention. Why am I being addressed over here? Why does these 3 lines that I'm reading feel so connected to me? Let me continue reading, okay? The next section is short sentences. Obviously, you don't want sentences that looks like this. And then having another paragraph over here. That's too much reading. That's too much work, okay? That person wants to see what this is about. Make sure each sentence says something, okay? It should look like this. Paragraph, space, 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 CTA, okay? It shouldn't look like this and this. It should look like this, 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 and this. If you understand what I'm saying. So you want to split lines and get your point across. Get ways to say that thing quickly. And make sure every sentence leads to the next sentence and builds up to the CTA. Now, a powerful CTA, that's where intrigue, curiosity, psychological triggering, primal response, NLP, and all of that comes in. Okay? You want to make sure all of that is inside your CTA. That's the only way that someone will actually take the energy to press that button and go to where you want to take them. Okay? So this is how you grab attention and hold attention in email marketing and sell more courses. Get more people to loyally go and watch your videos, watch your forecasts, whatever you have online. You can use email marketing to direct people to wherever you want them to go. Okay? And the biggest part of all is, remember, every single email that you send them should feel like it's something new. You can't say the same pain points, the same personalization, the same addressing in every single email. They're going to get over it, okay? So you have to be creative and make sure you've got new angles and new ways of saying what you want to say. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any other sales and marketing topic you want me to cover, and I'll get to work. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.